Dear Rain, I know I haven't written you in a while, or haven't written you in my life, but I thought I should let you in on something. I love you. From the pounding drums of thunder to the beautiful chimes of rain, you are music to my ears. You make me feel at peace. You make light dance as you fall in or upon it. You make the trees and grass lush with green. You make people want to wear rubber clothing more than any other time. When you make love to the sun, you make beautiful rainbow babies. I enjoy dancing with you. I enjoy biking in you. You bring out the child in me. You transform my world into another. I love you, Rain.